Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to screen record on Windows 11. So if you want to screen record on Windows 11, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is press Windows and G key on your keyboard. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find various options over here. From here, you'll be able to screen record. But keep in mind, this screen recorder will not work for the Windows desktop or file explorer. If you want to record them, you'll have to download the third-party screen recorders and you'll be able to record them. But except for them, you'll be able to record everything. From here, you'll be able to record by simply clicking on this button that you can see right over here. Or instead of that, you can also press Windows, Alt and R key on your keyboard. That will automatically start the screen recording. You can also screenshot. For that, you can simply click on this icon that you can see right over here. In order to screen record, what you have to do is click on this option. After that, the screen recording will be started. Your screen will be recorded now. Once you do that, you'll also be able to find the option for stop recording right over here. You can simply click on it and screen recording will be stopped. After the screen recording is done, what you have to do is click on this option, see my captures. Now you'll also be able to see the captures over here. So like this, you'll be able to screen record. You can also explore other features and you can also access the settings by simply clicking on the settings option. Now from here, you'll be able to access the settings like microphone, sound, etc. So like this, you'll be able to screen record. So that is how you screen record on Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.